All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the review. The very first problem I started to do, and then I remembered that you guys requested I do a video lesson on this. So the question is, find all solutions of the equation sine of x equals negative 1/2. So we're going to go through those steps that you can find with skill 28. And the first one is isolate the trig function. Well, if we look at our trig function, it's already by itself, which I've highlighted. So we go on to the next step, which is determine the angle that we can plug in here and get an output of negative 1/2. So I look at this negative 1/2 and ask myself, is there a special triangle where that ratio exists? And there is. It's our 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I sketch that out here, and then I ask myself, okay, sine of which of these angles will give me 1/2? I have to know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so I'm looking here and I look at 30, and the opposite over hypotenuse is 1/2. So I know that my reference angle is going to be 30 degrees. However, notice that our answer is negative. So that means that we can't be in the first or second quadrants with this angle that we're going to call our answer. We have to be in the third and fourth quadrants. So I'm going to sketch my angle using the reference angle of 30. And then I just realized, okay, to get this whole angle, I need to add 180 and 30 degrees, and I'm going to get 210 degrees. Now this says find all possible solutions, so I'm also going to have to tack on a 360 in to account for all possible solutions for this quadrant. But we also have to think about the fourth quadrant. So I'm going to draw another angle with a reference angle of 30 degrees. And to figure out how big this angle is, I need to do 360 minus 30, and that will give me my other answer of 330 degrees. To account for all possible solutions, I add 360 in. And then both of these answers would go on the line, and we're done.